The Screamin Eagle Racing King 6 transmission is battle-tested and developed by the Harley-Davidson Factory Race Team, competing in the Mission King of the Baggers series. And that's why I'm here to tell you all about it. I'm Frankie, and we're in the Harley-Davidson garage. Let's get to it. This transmission has been engineered for enhanced gear engagement and durability and can increase your torque capacity by 25% over the OE transmission. The super premium heat-treated and shot-peened gears ensure race-tough strength and durability. Back-cut gears and undercut shift lugs improve engagement and reduce friction, ensuring smooth gear engagement for quicker shifts. With upgraded bearings, this King 6 transmission is a significant upgrade to your motorcycle. Installation requires a separate purchase of the Screamin Eagle Racing gasket installation kit for the King 6 transmission. The installation kit includes gaskets, O-rings, main drive seal and bearing, and an inner primary bearing race. The Screamin Eagle Racing King 6 transmission is available for multiple motorcycle models, so check the website to make sure this transmission fits yours. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's all for now. I'm Frankie, and I'll see you next time.